All right, hello. I think we're rolling. Yes, we are. Okay, welcome to Startup Launchpad, Asia's biggest electronic startups gathering here at AsiaWorld-Expo in Hong Kong, within the confines of Global Sources Electronics. With me here is Ivan from Smacircle Technology, and they have got a very special product to tell us all about. Ivan, could you tell us about the bike pack that you're offering?
Okay, my name is Ivan. I'm the CEO of Smacircle Technology. So Smacircle S1 is the innovation design products. It's right now it's the first unique, smallest, lightest e-bike in the world right now. So the material was made of carbon fiber. So that's why we can make so light. And also, so we can fold like just the size like the laptop. And also, we have to say we are creating the industry. We are not following up the industry. We can say this is the innovation with the new revolution.
And what is it about the Smacircle S1 that's got them so excited? What are the special features that make it really different?
Oh, okay. So the core value of the Smacircle, when we compare to the others, is the first one is the lightest. Right now it's the unique and lightest in the world, and the second one is the smallest because it's the first e-bike can fit into. After we fold, we can fit into the backpack. So that's why.
You've actually got a pack down here, right? That will fit inside.
Here's the backpack. So after we fold this, we can put this Smacircle S1 into the backpack.
Cool. Do you mind if I have a
yeah.
Oh yeah, that is much. That's lighter than you would think. Yeah.
And then so after we fully charge for 2.5 hours, it can ride for 20 kilometers, and the weight capacity for people it's more than 220 pounds. Now we finish.
Wow.
It's very light.
There you go. That was like what?
Yeah.
20 seconds. So here's an important question. Anybody who's watching at home that wants to maybe talk about distribution or sourcing, what is this in mass production? Is it ready for?
Yeah, we have the mass production already because we have finished all of the testing, dropping, anything.
Right.
Yes.
So it's ready to go. What kind
it's ready to go.
What kind of MOQ are we looking at for this?
MOQ list it's around 500 pieces.
Okay. And what would be a typical FOB price if you can say that? At 500
the
pieces.
price for FOB Hong Kong is $850.
$850 in Hong Kong. And
it can be flexible, depends on the quantity.
Sure.